Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix Messenger could not send the message problem. So you can use any app on Facebook, Messenger or Facebook Lite. In this video, I'm using Facebook Lite. What you have to do is you just have to tap on settings. Now you have to just tap on help center. After tapping on help, you have to search for limits sending message on Facebook. So here is the second paragraph, you just have to tap on it. After tapping on it, now you have to just tap on no. After tapping on no, now you have to just tap on others. Here you just have to type, Dear Sport, I'm facing problem while trying to send messages on Messenger. I have tried various solutions but the issue persists. Please resolve this issue as soon as possible. After typing this, you just have to tap on submit and it will submit a report to Facebook. So Facebook team will review your account and resolve your Messenger message not sending issue. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.